Let's continue with practice 13. Question 1. 2 to the 4 power times 4 to the third power. In this case, this is a base and this power. So in order to multiply them, either you can have the same power or you have the same base. And both of them doesn't have the same power and same base. So if you have the same base, you keep the bases. And you have the same. If you have the same power, you keep the power. So now in this case, we look at the choices. 2 and 4 are multiple of 2, so I can change them to 2. So it's 2 to the 4th power times 4 is 2 square, and the 3 is outside power 3. Okay? 2 square is still 4, doesn't change the value. So the power to the power is 6. So you can 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 6, which is equal to add the power up. Okay? If you have same base right now, add up the power 4 plus 6. So when you multiply, so it's 2 to the 10th power, so it's D. If I have 2, 8 divided by 2, 7, 2, 2, 5, let's say, this is 2 to the third power. You minus the power. Power to the power, you multiply, become 2, 6. Same base, multiply together, you do the additions. You divide, you do the subtractions. Alright? So next one. This one is 3 in simple. So it's, this is 3. So 6 times 9, 6 times 3, this is 3, 3 is 18. Times 2 times 4 is 8. 18 times 8 is 144. Number 3. X equals 9a squared. A is positive because they the a greater than 0. So why they put positive? They don't want to have a negative value. So square root of x, square root of this, and square root of this. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of a squared is a, so it's 3a. Not equal to 0.065, 0.0675. If I move to 2 to here, 67.5, you have 1, 2, 3 decimals, that's correct. If I move 2, 6.75, you have 2, correct. If I move 1, that's correct. So only have these two. Now, if I reverse back, this is it was 0.0657. So this is not right because 0.006, one more decimal. So should be power 1 is the power 2. So this is the answer. Okay, number 5. If q is an odd integer greater than 1, q is odd. The value, if this is odd, if you still get negative, so it's negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. C. Okay, x is greater than 0, so it's positive. 4 to the x power, 8 to the x power. So you change it to 2 to the 2, 4 to the 2, the 2 times x is 2x, times 2 to the third, then 3x. Add them up equal to 5x here, so 2 to the 5x. 7. Which of following could be the value of n? This is even. So even if you have a square root, you must be a perfect square. So this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square. So these two are out. 81 square root is 9, 9 over 3 is not even. 121 square root is 11, is not even, so answer is 144. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Number 8. 8 to the 5 power. So in this case, which one is 8 to the 5 power? Same power, base, you multiply 2 times 4 is 8. Yes, this is correct. So 1 is correct, no 1 is out. These two are out. Check the 2. 2 to the 15. 2 to the 15 equal to 2 third power 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 2 to 3 is 8, so it's 8, 15. So this is correct. No 2 is out. But this is also 2 to the 15, so they're the same. So 1, 2, and 3, the answer is E. Number 9. X squared over x, 2 and 1, you cancel, you have 1 left. Y6 over y3, y6 minus 3 is y cubed. 10 to 10, z10 over z5, 10 minus 5 is 5. So it's 135. The answer is B. Number 10. X to a times x to b equal to 1. So x to a times x to b is x a times a plus b. 1 is actually equal to a to the 0. So a plus b equal to 0. C. X equals to 3. Plug in the 3 here. So you will get 1 plus 21 minus 3 times 3 is 19, 9. 9 times 3 is 18, minus 18. 21 minus 18 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 square root of 4, square root of 4 is 2. Answer is B. 32. If x equals 32 minus, okay, find x. So you solve this part first. 16, follow the order. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. A. 13. So what is the greatest number of positive integers? How many? Greatest number of, there's not greatest value. If they ask value, you find the x. But they're finding greatest number of positive integers. Finding how many x. Greatest number of positive integer value of x. So if you're looking for how many x, so it's square. So it's 1 squared to 49. But it's not including 1. So 1 to 49 can be 7 numbers, not including 1, so you have 6 only. It's only positive, right? If they said integers, you have to include the positive and negative. 2 equal to p cubed, 8p. Most of the students, you try to find p equal to cube root of 2. Don't need to, because they put 2 in front, which means they put 2 as a subject. So 8p equal to 2 cubed times p. 2 is p power 3. 2 is p power 3 and cube again times p. 9 plus 1, so it's p10. Number 15. Same concepts. 5 is a to the x, so ax over a. So a x minus 1. B. Number 16. B cubed equal to 4. B6. B6 is b cubed power 2. So equal to 4 squared, which is 16.